Hello everyone. So for this unit, I'm gonna record the video instead of writing. As I said, I think recording a video is better when it comes to working on my public speaking skills, and at the same time, I could express my feelings more. So for this unit, I had my learning objectives, which were what people know about my culture and how culture are different and similar to each other. For this unit, I really enjoyed the unit and enjoyed learning about other cultures and presenting my cultures, and I like the food and sharing foods and this stuff. Um, I think we learned about each other more, and I think the value that was shining is community. I felt we are like a small community, especially with the Amber game, and like trying to express how people react to specific situations. That gives us the chance to learn about how others think and how they react to stuff. And for my first objectives, what people know about my cultures, I was surprised that changed. Like I thought people don't know that much about Middle East and Saudi Arabia and UAE, but I was proven wrong, because I think people now know about like Middle East and more. Like when I was at the beginning, I asked questions to my classmates, what do they know, and like what do they think when they hear like Saudi Arabia or UAE. And you guys like did really good job. Like you showed me, like you learned about um, the rest of the world, and you know about countries and Middle East. So that's also changed my world view, which is one of the big questions. Before, like I thought people didn't like, especially like Americans, do not know about Middle East that much, and they usually like have misconceptions about Middle East and UAE. But I was wrong. I think you guys are really good, and you know about like the rest of the world. So yeah. So for my question, like I think you guys like know a lot about my culture, and especially the guys from my 210 inner, like they showed me that they were like really like absorbing the information that I was representing last semester, and they still like remember most of the stuff. And for my second for my second objectives, how culture are different and similar to each other. I think all culture like have big similarities between each other, and like they're almost the same. When we did a game that we have to define what does culture mean, I think all our answers were similar: family, um, values, and stuff. So yeah, I think now I reach a point where I think all cultures are the same, but just slightly different from each other. And when it comes to food, like I think all people like when they brought food, it has similar stuff to each other. I remember Monica what she brought. She brought like a dish that's so similar to like a popular dish in Saudi Arabia. So yeah, I was like I thought at the beginning Muhammad brought it, but turned out to be Monica. So yeah, I mean I realized that like people usually like have similar dishes and stuff. And when you sit in small groups and we were planning to uh, perform a dance, we found out that we have a lot of similarities. So yeah, that's what I have for this unit. And as I said, I think now we are like small community, and we know about each other more, and we learned about each other culture, and how we think about stuff, and how would we react to specific situations. And I really enjoyed the event and enjoyed representing my culture to you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and uh, thank you for watching.